The 2026 Polestar 4 is one of the most futuristic and exciting electric SUVs entering the market, redefining what luxury, performance, and sustainability can look like in an EV. With its sleek coupe SUV silhouette, frameless doors, and razor-sharp LED lighting, it's a bold expression of Scandinavian minimalism and modern design. The most surprising feature: there's no rear window. Instead, a high-definition camera replaces it, projecting a crystal-clear rear view to your digital mirror, making the car look and feel like it's straight out of the future. Inside, the Polestar 4 blends premium luxury with eco-friendly innovation, using recycled materials, vegan upholstery, and ambient lighting inspired by the solar system. A massive 15.4-inch center display runs Google built-in, offering Maps, Assistant, and Play Store integration, while a high-tech head-up display and over-the-air software updates make it one of the smartest SUVs around. Performance-wise, the single-motor version delivers around 272 horsepower with rear-wheel drive and a 0-60 time of 6.9 seconds, while the dual-motor all-wheel drive variant cranks out an incredible 544 horsepower, hitting 0-60 in just 3.7 seconds, putting it right up there with some performance supercars. The 100 kWh battery offers up to 385 miles of range in the single-motor version and about 367 miles in the dual-motor, with 200 kW fast charging for quick top-ups on long trips. Sustainability is at the heart of Polestar's identity. From carbon-neutral goals to responsibly sourced materials and efficient production in South Korea, everything about this SUV screams future-ready. Prices start around $57,800 for the long-range single motor and about $64,300 for the dual-motor AWD, making it competitive against rivals like the Tesla Model Y, BMW iX, and Audi Q6 e-tron. What truly sets the Polestar 4 apart is its blend of design purity, cutting-edge tech, and environmentally conscious engineering. It's not just another EV, it's a statement of where premium electric mobility is heading. So if you're looking for a vehicle that's sleek, smart, sustainable, and seriously quick, the 2026 Polestar 4 might just be the future you've been waiting for.